Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the speaker on the Lenovo TAB M8 model. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, turn off the tablet and remove the LCD screen from the front. To remove the screen, apply heat to loosen the adhesive. We are using a heating pad for this step. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the tablet heating option. Leave it till the process completes. Once the screen is sufficiently heated, place a suction cup near the bottom edge of the display. In here, we use a regular suction cup to lift the front assembly. Using the suction cup, gently pull the screen to create a gap for inserting a plastic car pry tool or triangular picker. Next, work carefully around the screen to loosen the adhesive. Gently cut through it using the tool. This step will take time and needs patience. Always use the tip of the tool. Do not insert it too far, as this can damage internal flex cables or other components. Next, gently lift the screen from the top edge and flip it over to access the connector plugs. Next, undo two screws to pull the bracket. Next, disconnect the battery connector and then disconnect the LCD plug to free the screen from the body. Next, take out the faulty speaker from the body. At first, take out the top camera bracket by undoing screws. Next, undo the screws holding the loudspeaker. And then gently pull out the unit from the body. Next, place the new loudspeaker on the body and then secure the screws. Next, secure the top camera bracket by adding screws. Next, secure the LCD plug to the logic board. Next, secure the battery plug to the logic board. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, place and secure the bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, install the screen onto the body by applying adhesive. For this, you can use pre-cut screen adhesive or B7000 glue along the edges. Next, slide the screen into place from the bottom to the top. Then gently press down along the edges to secure it to the frame. Gently run your fingers along the edges to ensure proper seal. Finally, secure the screen to the body using bonding clips. If bonding clips are not available, you can use rubber bands to apply even pressure. Leave them for some time to ensure proper bonding. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.